Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. I believe this is like a wrinkle cream from Judge Judy. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Let's see. Gonna open this one up down this way because oh my invoice. So this was like a free shipping because it's like a I think it's a free trial or free sample. Let me give you guys but unfortunately I had to pay $4.99 or $4.97 for each shipping fee. But I'm not sure why they do that. They send this 2-in-1 package instead of individual. So anyway, I was about to order it, and then it kept on wanting me to subscribe to like a magazine and this and that. So I finally closed the URL, and then somehow my credit card sent me like a fraud protections saying that I ordered some of the stuff. So I had to call them back and to verify this and that. So you got to be careful because the representative told me that once you get the free sample from them, they're going to automatically send you the products like every month, and they sometimes even they charge you like $60 a month for the following month. So you got to be careful. And then I cancel my old credit card. They told me to cancel that and get a new one so they don't keep on charging me every month. So this is the two of the cream that I ordered. One is for the eyes serum. This is the AMBROSINA. And this is the skin cream, 1 ounce or 30 milliliter. So I'm not sure those are the expiration date or what are those numbers. So in case you guys know it, you can drop the comments on below. So the direction is so small, so I need to probably take a picture or use a magnifying glass to read it. And there are some of the ingredients that's in there. So this one is a 0.5 ounce or 15 milliliter. So if you guys tried any of this, please drop a comment on below, see if it works for you guys or not, so the viewers could see what was the result. And then this is the skin cream. Gonna kind of zoom in real quick. That is the ingredient. And that is the direction. All right. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and be sure to hit that bell for notification, so whenever I drop new and latest video, you could check them out instantly. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.